So today we will be working on the DAX queries um, exercises. So you can download the file from here. I've already downloaded the file. This is how the file looks like, right? So this is the voting, and it's saying that open the file. After opening, it's saying that write a DAX query using evaluate, which will list out. So we will be now opening the DAX Studio from here. So I've already opened the DAX Studio. This is our table, voting table. So in this, we will be writing a query by using evaluate. So we use evaluate here. So like EVA, evaluate. And in here, we need to find out the list in the descending order remaining vote, right? So we have a column called remain. So I will write it as evaluate, right? Evaluate. And then uh, the situation is we need to filter out data for sum. So we will be using filter, right? Filter we will be using on the remain column. Mm, Filter we will be using on voting, right? Comma. So voting, voting, and in the voting we have the remaining column where we have to show where those areas where the remaining vote was more than 3 times the leave vote. Okay, so it will be like more than 3, right? More than 3 comma of the mm, remaining vote was more than 3 leave vote. Not using this but star leave, right? Now if I run this, it's now giving me error. Why? Because it's not completed yet. I have to close this. So for closing it, I will be just closing the this here, and I will run it. Now you can see I'm now getting a table instead of all this big table from the Power BI, like this. A big table. Instead of this, I'm getting a small table here where I'm having 5 or 6 entries. Now it's okay. Now we need to sort it in descending order of the remaining votes, like this. So now it's like this. We will sort it by the descending order. So we will simply take order by, and then we will take as order by remaining, meaning, right? Which is descending order, right? And if I click enter, not enter, but if I run this, it's now not running. Why? Because why are we using comma? We will not use comma, and we will run this, and now you can see now the highest number is above, and then low, 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 and the lowest. So this is how you solve. And if we check, see, this is the same output that we are getting. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.